Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 5 presentation assembly. Yes, we've got here 7 weeks of half term. It's amazing. And you will see by the number of children that are appearing here how much hard work has gone into this 7 weeks and throughout all the different subjects and all the amazing children to celebrate. It's Friday the 22nd of October 2021 and we're here obviously to celebrate. I've got some house captains here to help me this morning, to give shout outs to these children, these Year 5s who've been working non-stop throughout this half term. So let's start off this morning with... Look at these, Miss Arthurton's English superstars. Who do we have, Milana?
Tyler, Alana, Jessica, and Drea.
We certainly do. Look at thumbs up for Mr. Allen as well. Well done, guys. Come on, stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer in Year 5. Well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home and just keep up that amazing English work because you have phenomenal work and the presentation is brilliant as well. So well done. Next, we have our math superstars. Look at these mathematicians. Who have we got, William?
Reggie, Sophie, Abby, and Mason.
We certainly have. Come on, guys, big smiles again, big thumbs up. Well done, Reggie. Absolutely, guys. Well done, guys. Super maths throughout this half time. Just keep it. I know some of you are completing your maths books because you're doing so much maths. It is amazing. So really well done. Keep it up, guys. Next, we have our reading superstars. Now, these guys have been reading non-stop. They really have, over weekends, twice and 3 times a day. It's brilliant. I'm just really smiling because Ruben, what a smile, Ruben. Just makes me smile every time I see him. Who have we got? Go on.
Oliver, Cherry, Alana, and Ruben.
We certainly have you 4. Well done, guys. Fantastic reading. I know you'll carry this on over half term. Let's get you standing up. Let's give you a massive cheer in class as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today as well. Well done. Next, we have our PE superstars. Now, these guys have been brilliant in PE and in games. They've been working so hard in every single lesson. They've been really physically active. But at break times and lunch times as well, actually, you'll find. So who have we got?
We've got Kobe, Bella, Riley, and Eliza.
We have. Look at these guys. Well done, you 4. Yes, massive thumbs up, Riley. Well done, buddy. Superb effort. Well done, you 4. Stand up in class. Let's give you a massive cheer. Really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today as well. Well done. We've got Miss Arthurton's history stars. They've been working so hard on their history, these Year 5s. They really have. And produced some amazing writing as well with it. So, who have we got this morning?
Oliver, Layla, Noah, and Mia.
We certainly have. Look at that. Oliver, massive thumbs up. Layla, well done. Really well done, guys. Great history work. Superb. And I get some amazing presentation with it as well. It is a brilliant. So really well done, guys. And keep that up over the next half term. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Next we've got, look out. Miss Musselwhite's Mega Math Stars, no less. Mega Math Stars. Who have we got this morning?
We've got Gemma, Bentley, Alex, and Racer.
We certainly have. Look at these 4. Look, well done, guys. Super work on your maths. I know it's getting better and better throughout this half term. I know Miss Musselwhite is super impressed with you. So stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done, guys. William, who have we got now? We've got our Miss Musselwhite's enthusiastic English stars. So let's see some enthusiasm, William. Come on.
Dexter, Riley, Alicia, and Jack.
Superb, well done, thank you. That really is. Well done, you enthusiastic English stars. Dexter, big smile on his face. Actually, to be fair to Dexter, he's always got a big smile on his face. So well done, all of you. Stand up, give a massive cheer, and enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done. Next, we've got Miss Musselwhite's powerful PE stars. Hey, check these guys out. Been amazing in PE, they really have. Who have we got this morning?
Olivia, Jack, Reese, and Riley.
We certainly have. Well done, guys. Look at that. Olivia. Special shout out for Olivia. Doing Race for Life, raising hundreds and hundreds of pounds as well for Race for Life. So really well done, Olivia. I think it was over £800. So huge shout out to her as well. But all 4 of you, really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. You superstars, well done. Next we've got Miss Musselwhite's hands-on history stars. They certainly have. They've been brilliant at their history. So superb work in their history. Who have we got this morning?
We've got Holly, Ivor, Sapan, and Amelia.
You certainly have. Well done. Working really historically. Real historians there. Really researching lots. And actually producing, again, some phenomenal work, which is so well presented. So well done, you guys. Stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home at the end of you today. Well done. Next, we've got Miss Musselwhite's reputable reading stars. Reputable, what a reputation these guys have got. They've got such a reputation, they just don't stop reading. Whenever you see them, their head's in book. It's phenomenal. So really one of these reputable reading stars. Who have we got this morning?
Ellie, Botan, Alicia, and Dylan.
We certainly have. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Keep reading over half term. I know how much you love reading. I know you will, without even saying. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Here we go. Look, as well as that, you'll see some of these children would have appeared already because these are all the merits, all the house points these children have earned If you multiply these numbers by 5, you'll see how many merits they have earned. It's phenomenal, but very, very close to those top 3, and even the ones below, which we can't see. Ready for December's presentation assembly when we announce who's won the Keen Cup. So watch very carefully. I know the house captains are keen to find that out as well. So here we go. We've got Racer on 25, Dexter 26, Alicia on 27. Look how close it is. Only 1 house point. You 3, come on, Miss Muswell, stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. And then Miss Arthurton's, look at this. We've got Eliza at 24, Ruben 25, and Alana on 26. Look how close it is. There's like 1 house point in between each of those. It's phenomenal. All 6 of you stand up. Come on, guys. Let's give you all a massive cheer in class, because that's a huge number of merits you've earned throughout this half term. Really, really well done. And keep that up over the next half term. If it's not you on that list, see if you can get on there for December. Keep earning merits and house points. So well done. That's it for today. Look, here we go. Well done, everyone. Fantastic effort from all of you Year 5s. What a fantastic 7 weeks. Thank you so much. Let's do exactly the same after half term up to Christmas, because it'd be brilliant if we can do that. We'll make amazing, amazing progress. So really, really well done. As you can see, school closes today at 3:15. We're back on Monday, the 1st of November, when gates will be open, at 8:30 in the morning, okay? So we look forward to seeing you all then. Have a fantastic and restful half term, right? Because I know you will, as well as doing lots of exercise and lots of reading, some of you, because I know you'll do that as well. So really well done. It's a huge thanks to my house captains this morning. Parents, please spread this link far and wide to aunties, uncles and grandparents. Let's get as many people involved as possible to really celebrate these Year 5 children. So well done. Until Monday, 1st of November, everyone. Bye-bye now.